good, YouTube? This is your girl D Spoiled Ass TABRON coming to you with another video. And today's video is going to be on my Holy Grail from Louis Vuitton. Now, like I was saying in my previous video, was every brand deserves a Holy Grail, if you know what I mean. So, this one that I'm going to reveal today is my Holy Grail for Louis Vuitton. Now, for Chanel, it was my GST. So without further ado, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers, and especially thank you to those subscribers who's leaving me comments down below with suggestions on videos that they would like to see. I did have a subscriber suggest a video, and like I told her, I will get that in the rotation for you. I even told her what Sunday to be looking for it. So without further ado, let's do this. I got this bag today, y'all. I've been waiting, okay? I was like the security guard at my door, at my job, waiting. Even though I wasn't physically at the door, but I was waiting at my desk to see this man come on this UPS truck, okay? So, let's do it. Oh, your girl is excited. So, here is the box. Like I said, it did come today. Okay. Like a kid in a candy store. Here we go. I've looked at every video on YouTube for this purse, and pretty much looked at all of them. Some were good, some was like, okay, I need some more details, or I need something else come with it, you know. So that made me want mine even more. So once again, you guys, this one is from Fashionphile. And I know there's more consignment stores out there that, you know, sell them, but I feel more comfortable with Fashionphile. Only, you know, problem I had with them was on the last one, which was my last video, which was this one here, the Never Full. And today was the first day using it. So, like I said, this item was brand new. And when I look for my items on Fashionphile, they either have to be brand new or excellent. And even with excellent, it can't have, you know, like corner edges or anything like that messed up, because the amount of money that you pay, I need it to look like I just got it out the stove. Okay, so here is the fingernail file again. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. In this case, I like my money where I can see it in my cabinet. Okay. Here is the receipts. I never really open them. I just leave them like this, and I put them up there. I have a receipt box that I keep all my receipts in. So in case I ever decide to sell them, I just go grab the receipts. I know I got all the paperwork for it. So here's the receipt. And of course, you know, all this again. I ain't complaining though. It's cute. Okay, this box did come with everything, and that was the only way I was getting it, if it came with everything. The box, the dust bag, whatever straps it might come with, or whatever, it was coming with everything if I was getting it, because this was the Holy Grail. Let's see if I can get it out of here without getting all this paper everywhere. I literally just got off work, y'all. Came home after running a few errands. Couldn't wait to get here so I can get this bag open and done, so I can share it with you all. Okay, we're going to put the box behind me. Here we go. It says the used is the new, but in this case, the new is the new. Here is the box, you guys. Cover it up so y'all can't see what it is. Okay. It came with the booklet. It came with the dust bag. It came with a text card. Okay. And with Fashionphile, they always send you, if it comes with the original dust bag, they'll send you with the original dust bag plus one of theirs. So let's put this here. Here is the dust bag. Any guesses? Okay. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Okay, let me share. So here we go. And the bag that I chose was the On the Go reverse monogram. And if you're looking it up, it's actually called the Louis Vuitton reverse monogram giant On the Go. And this one says comes with dust bag and box. This one here lets you know once you remove the tags, it is yours. You can always sell it back to them. When I tell you guys, I watched the videos, and your girl was confused because I was like, Lord, I want this bag. But don't let the medium be too small. But don't let it be too big. And then I had to have the ones with the reverse straps. Okay. I don't like the new ones. I don't. Because I don't like the black strap. It just don't go, to me, it don't sit right. But that's my opinion. I'm entitled to that. But what caught my eye was everything reverse, which is what I wanted. I did see where they said they were having troubles. Once you put it on your elbow, it would hit your elbow. So your girl got to thinking, if that is the case, I can just buy an extra reverse strap and go diagonal from here to here and still be able to have it come down a little bit longer than what it would hang with the shoulder straps. Because that was the problem everybody was saying, that the straps was coming up to here. They didn't have no arm space, you know. So let me stand up a little bit or give you a little bit of sight. So if you're taking it off to get something, or you want to put it back on, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. But like I said, I am planning on buying a reverse strap to also go with it. Here is the bag on the inside. It is in new condition. I don't see no stains. No feet. No problem. I'm just going to look at the bag for a minute and look it over. Because you know I'm changing into it tonight, right? You sure right. Okay. You guys, I don't see anything that would just irks me or bugs me. Because sometimes when I have a purse and something's wrong with it, it just bugs me. But here, I don't see anything at all. It says on the tag, Louis Vuitton made in Paris. So that is good. the zipper on the inside here still has the plastic on it right there. You guys, your girl is in love. Let's see. I would go back and do a mod shot, but I got that box in the way. I just love it. So you know I wasn't finished, right? Your girl had to pick up something else. So a bag is not complete unless you have something else. So this here I did order off of Amazon, and I'm hoping it fit. I was reading the ones, and this is the organizer. I went with the red again for the interior. Let's see. I pray it works, y'all. It fits. I did order this one from the same person I ordered the black one from that I have in here. Now this one is a little bit different. This one came with something extra that that one didn't come, which was like a card holder. I mean, you can, the way they explained it was you could put the 2 chains here, and it holds your debit cards and your credit cards, and just grab this and you can go if you're trying to go to the store without carrying the whole purse or anything. So it did come with that. And like I said, the person I bought it from on Amazon was ZTUJO. And this one here is a look, yeah, it's the same as the other one almost. It has 2 pockets here, the big opening here, and then it has 2 pockets on the other side. The 1 pocket back here, which is what I liked for my iPad for now. I do have something else in mind for that. Okay, and then also this here, it has the 3 pockets, 1, 2, and 3, that you could put stuff over in. You have the zipper, which I am loving the ones with the zipper. And then you have another slot in the back. Now the one I had yesterday, it Velcro. You have to Velcro it to the sides over inside of that, and it had Velcro on the inside. This one here is a little different. It has the snaps. I don't know if y'all can see them. Let's see. You see them right there? It has the snaps. So I will have to snap it in there. Let's just snap the top for now. And let's see if this baby fits the bag. I hope it do, because I don't want to have to order another one. You guys, I think I ordered the wrong size. Let's take the snap out. Okay, it's not too bad, but it's tight to me. I think I should have, I went with the large, no, the extra large, large or extra large, one of those. And I probably should have went a size down. So this one probably fits the GM one. It fits comfortably in there. And I probably will still use it just, or I might just order another one. I'm not sure. Yeah, I might just order another one. But for now, I am going to use this because I don't want the inside of the bag to get any marks on it. Because these bags are expensive enough without marks being at the bottom that will drive me crazy. So, yeah. And then I have another small one. And I think my case down there, so I can always try that one and see what happens. But, you guys, I am loving it. I wanted to come on here and show this to you. And I will come back after I wear it for a while, let you know what I think, and do a what's in my bag with this one. Because this one, from all the videos I watched, they said that it was already kind of heavy enough without anything in it. So imagine putting a lot of stuff in it and it will make it even heavier. So I will have to downsize. So I will check into that and see what will go and what will not go. So you guys, I just wanted to come on here and share my Holy Grail with you guys. She's cute. Cute? But anyway, you guys, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing my videos. Continue to leave me comments down below. I do answer them back as soon as I see them. Stay tuned to the next Sunday. I try to upload every Sunday. That's my goal. So, stay tuned for the next one, you guys. And until the next time,